Mm-hmm.
You're so repulsive.
Barley. Hi, Barley. Oh, you're a good boy.
Yeah, he doesn't hold still for photos very well.
Yeah, I love it. He looked right at me. These two don't stop.
Hey.
Good boy. That was wonderful.
Excellent backing up. Go ahead, a little bit further back.
No, that would be when your mom's out here.
Yeah. Barley was crying in the bedroom when he played.
He plays with the young children.
I remember that sound.
And I didn't see what set it off. I think it's just her being
And then she just asked him if he didn't back off right away. Yeah, I don't have complete space, but I mean, it's screwed in several places. Well, we never have a pen where you just